Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in and opening full settings. This is where most controls live. Once you click the gear and choose See All Settings, move to the Inbox tab to check spam handling and filters. You want to confirm whether emails go to primary, promotions, or spam automatically. Make sure to keep the account visible and don't switch devices mid-process. These first steps prepare Gmail so the filter edits you make next take effect immediately. Now you create or edit filters to control spam behavior. Use the search box to target senders or keywords, then click Create Filter and decide actions. Select Never Send to Spam to keep legit mail out of the spam folder. You can also apply labels or archive automatically. These choices explain why messages appear where they do. Once done, return to Filters and Blocked Addresses to remove any misconfigured rules or finish by testing. Send a message from the address you configured and watch where it lands. If it still goes to spam, open the spam folder and mark the message not spam. This trains Gmail over time. Make sure no conflicting filters are overriding your rule. Order and specificity matter. If problems persist, clear your browser cache or try incognito to rule out extension interference, and then recheck filter criteria so they match exactly what you expect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.